In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Add Profile Picture in Outlook. By the end, you'll have a polished profile photo that appears across your Outlook experience. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. First, open your web browser and go to outlook.live.com. This is the Outlook web app, and it's the quickest place to make changes that sync across your account. Once the page loads and you're in your mailbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen. In the top right, click the profile icon. Depending on your current setup, you might see your initials inside a circle or a small version of your current photo. Clicking this opens a panel that gives you quick access to your account details. From that panel, choose My Profile. This takes you to your Microsoft account profile page where personal settings live. It's the right place to manage how your name, profile picture, and other basic details appear to others. On the profile page, select your info. This section holds your display information. Think of it as your public-facing card within the Microsoft ecosystem. Outlook will use what you set here. Next, click Change Photo. This opens the photo picker where you can upload a new image. If you already have a picture and want to replace it, this is where you'll do it. Now select a photo from your computer and click Open. For best results, choose a clear, well-lit headshot where your face is centered and easy to recognize. Plain backgrounds work great, and a square or near-square image will crop more cleanly. Common formats like JPG and PNG are ideal. If the image is very large, Outlook will handle it, but using a reasonably sized file can make uploading faster. Finally, click Save. You'll usually see a preview before saving, and you may be able to adjust how the image is centered within the frame. Make sure your face isn't cut off and that the picture looks good at a small size. After saving, give Outlook a moment to update. The new profile picture may take a little time to appear everywhere. If it doesn't show up right away, try refreshing the page or checking again in a few minutes. That's it. You've updated your Outlook profile picture through the web in just a few clicks. Keeping a professional, recognizable photo helps colleagues and contacts identify you quickly, and it brings a personal touch to your messages. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed profile.